Introducing a very special girl.
And now presenting Frances!
And a very special world of fun.
Now, who's ready to play?
And right in the middle of it all
Great!
is Frances.
Just to warn you, I'm a big girl with sharp claws.
Hit Entertainment and the Jim Henson Company bring this beloved classic storybook character to life.
I bet you're looking for Frances. She's not here. I am Francina, the princess of everything on Earth, including the universe.
Each episode has 3 delightful stories, all about taking on the challenges of childhood.
I wish I didn't have a sister. Then we would be going to Lizardland today.
And if there's anyone ready to take on that challenge, it's Frances.
You can do the writing, and I'll do the thinking.
You're very good at thinking.
With a song and a dance, she'll find a solution to any problem.
I, Frances, have a good idea.
And it just wouldn't be Frances without her mom,
You did a very nice thing. The right
her dad,
We're gonna have a great time.
her little sister Gloria,
Stop, Gloria!
and her best friend Albert.
I love the name Frances. After all, Frances is the name of my best friend.
Ready or not, she's on her way.
That sounds like a plan.
Get in touch with your inner Frances. As Frances, the star of Russell Hoban's cherished children's books, comes to DVD and VHS, spring of 2006.
Hooray
for Frances!